You probably have a lot of yarn leftovers. I know I do, and it's hard to know what to do with them. One helpful thing is to get an idea of how much you've got in those partial balls. I'm going to show you a quick way to estimate yardage with a scale, your yarn info, and a calculator. First, weigh your yarn. I've got this funky old scale that I bought from Hilltop during their going out of business sale over 10 years ago. Bonus points if you remember Hilltop in Seattle. I use grams, so I'm going to weigh my yarn and my ball weighs 27 grams. I'll write that number down. 27 grams, and I'm going to call that number A for math reasons. So second, you're going to check out your yarn label. This is Neighborhood Fiber Co. Studio Sock. My skein has 400 yards and it weighs 4 ounces. I like to work in grams rather than ounces, so I'll convert 4 ounces to grams, which is 113, and actually a pretty common weight for a skein of yarn. To find out how many yards are in a single gram, I'll divide 400 by 113. And that's 3.539, etc. So I'm going to just round that. 400 divided by 113 is going to be rounded to 3.54. I'm calling this number B. Now we'll use the weight of our original ball that we wrote down to do the other math problem. We need to multiply the weight, A, by the yards per gram, B, to find out how many yards are in our ball. That final answer I'll call C. The formula is A times B equals C. So in this case, 27A times 3.54 is going to equal C. And C is 95.58. So we have approximately 95 yards. Now, this is never going to be exact because no skein of yarn is exactly what's listed on the label. So give yourself some wiggle room if you're planning on a project with your leftovers. But it does give you an idea about how much you're dealing with. So for a quick summary, first, you're going to weigh your yarn to get number A. Then you're going to divide the yards or meters on your label by the weight in grams listed there to get your number B. So in our case, 400 divided by 113 to get B. And then multiply A by B to get the approximate meters or yards of your ball, which is C.